We'll guide you through how to use Dropbox for H1B visa applications. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Dropbox website on your desktop and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account, you can quickly create one by clicking on Sign Up. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard where you can manage your files. To begin, you need to create a new folder specifically for your H1B visa documents. Click on the New Folder button at the top right and name it something like H1B Visa Application. This helps keep everything organized. Now, go to the folder you just created by clicking on it. Here, you can start uploading your necessary documents. Click on the Upload button and select Files to choose the documents from your computer that you need to include in your application. Make sure you have all your required documents such as your resume, passport, and any other supporting materials. Once your files are uploaded, you can share this folder with your attorney or employer if needed. To do this, click on the Share button next to the folder name. Enter the email address of the person you want to share it with, and set the appropriate permissions, either can view or can edit, depending on whether you want them to make changes. This is a great way to collaborate and ensure that everything is in order. As a helpful tip, always double-check the upload status of each document to ensure nothing is missing. Dropbox also has a feature that lets you add comments to files, which can be useful for leaving notes or reminders. And remember, you can access your Dropbox account from anywhere, so if you need to make last-minute changes or check something on the go, it's all there. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.